In this video, I'll show you how to recharge your Xbox Series S controller. So there's multiple ways on how to do this. The first way is to go on the back, remove this cap over here, and you'll notice these are the batteries that came with the controller. These are not rechargeable. So once they're done, you need to throw them out. You cannot recharge them. If you do not have any other batteries and these are dead, the first thing you can do is to connect a USB Type-C cable to USB Type-A cable to the Xbox Series S front USB port, or in the back as well. And just by doing this, the controller will work. You won't need any sorts of batteries and you'll be able to control your Xbox without any issue. So if you don't have any other alternatives, this could be a great option in the meanwhile. But if you want to use the wireless feature of this controller, you'll need batteries. And there's two types of batteries that this controller takes. The first one are AA batteries, rechargeable and non-rechargeable. Over here I have some rechargeable ones, and I highly recommend that you get some that are rechargeable, and especially a 4-pack, since if you get 4 of them, this controller only needs 2, and every time you're gonna have fresh batteries, so you can keep 2 in the controller and 2 other ones already recharged, ready to swap between them. Another thing I recommend if you get rechargeable batteries is to get some that are at least 2450 milliamp, because these will last a lot longer than some of them that are less than this. So you'll be able to play for longer without needing to swap them all the time. I bought these from IKEA, but I'll put links in the description if you want to get some from Amazon. The important thing is to check the milliamp here, and I also prefer batteries, rechargeable batteries made in Japan compared to made in China. Most of the time they're better quality. And the second option that you can use to recharge your controller is to buy a battery pack that you simply put here. And the way to recharge the battery pack is to connect it to a USB Type-C cable like this, and it will recharge the battery pack. And by the way, if you have rechargeable batteries in your controllers, even if you plug this cable, it will not recharge these batteries. You'll need to charge them separately with a separate charger. And again, I'll put a link to Amazon if you want to get a rechargeable battery charger. So these were all the different ways on how you can recharge your Xbox Series S controller. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.